This is Tiffany Houston with a final project presentation on building student relationships and creating a positive school community through a problem-based learning environment where a collaborative class was formed between the Autism Spectrum Disorder Level 2 classroom and my special education reading resource students. The reason for this project was that my reading students saw a need to reach a school goal and initiative, and that is to improve the school community and to create positive student relationships. So by combining the classes and doing the activities together, we built relationships among a diverse group of students while improving the school community. And these relationships and the activities provided a foundation for acceptance and allowed the students to develop friendships with students that they wouldn't normally share a classroom with. And in addition to that, it had the education benefit of meeting objectives that improved the students' reading, not only their ability and skills, but also their confidence in their reading ability by using materials that were on their independent reading level. We read using adapted texts, including Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Charlotte's Web. We integrated technology where the students were able to change the screen, point to the images. They could click on images that would enlarge, and it assisted the ASD students to be able to connect the images with the text, especially where things like emotions were involved, and they were able to make a connection using emoticons or facial expressions on the images in the laptops. This is an example of the adapted text where each word has an image that's associated with it. Things like the facial expressions are particularly helpful for students in the ASD classroom. And there were accompanying activities such as comprehension questions. When we combined the classes, my reading enrichment students, who would normally read on a pre-K to second grade level, actually became the student leaders. That was a major benefit of this, and so it helped them to build confidence. We went to the media center and used technology again to search by interest and by Lexile level so that the students were able to read to the ASD students. When the students were together, they truly became fast friends, and they continue to do things together, like sharing the Thanksgiving meal and celebrating birthdays. One activity we did together was to go to the life skills room on 2 different occasions. We decided that eating together was a suggestion that our students had, and so we used the life skills room to cook, used the ovens, and we followed the adapted recipes and ingredient lists to make English muffin pizzas and apple crisps using crescent rolls and cinnamon and apples. We based the activities on some of the student reflection comments. So they said they wanted to do more fun activities and they wanted to do things that involved food or treats at the end of the activities. And so that provided an outline for future activities, and that helped us to plan things together that the students would enjoy. The reflections also showed the growth and the relationships that formed because my students commented that they realized that the students with autism were able to do things just like them, but they just learned and got there in different ways. Finally, I integrated technology by including all of the activities that we did on my course page. I created a movie using iMovie and used the pictures and videos that were taken and put a link to it on the school course page so that my students were able to share this and take it home and show their parents or even other teachers in the building. The students not only enjoy sharing it, but they enjoy watching it themselves, and the students in the ASD classroom enjoy getting to see this as a reminder of the friendships.